Namaste and welcome to Learn Hindi with Reenu. So today I am here with a new topic, a very confusing topic, that is gender. So usually we have confusion in gender, like what is masculine and what is feminine in Hindi, because in English there are three genders: masculine, feminine and neuter. But in Hindi there are only two. There is no neuter gender in Hindi. There are only masculine gender and feminine gender. So the things that come in masculine gender in English, that obviously will come to the masculine gender in Hindi, and the thing that is feminine, obviously that is also feminine in Hindi. But the things are confusing when we comes to the neuter gender. In English there is neuter gender, but in Hindi there is no neuter gender. So the thing that comes under neuter gender in English, they will go either in masculine or feminine. So today I am going to make it very easy or super easy for you, so that you can learn these things easily and Hindi learning will be very easy for you. So let's start. I told you three genders in English, but in Hindi only two. So we will see few examples first. Masculine gender: fan, pankha. This is masculine. Room, kamra. In Hindi this is also masculine. Boy, ladka, obviously this is masculine. Son, beta, masculine. City, shehar, masculine. Home, ghar, masculine. Child, bachcha, masculine. Now come to the feminine. Bird, chidiya, it's feminine. Girl, ladki, obviously this is feminine in English and Hindi both. Aunt, chachi. Language, bhasha. Bengal, chudi, bengal, chudi. Book, kitab. Chair, kursi. Now we will see a few rules about the genders, how you will identify them in Hindi. So we will start with masculine gender. So I just want to tell you one more thing. These rules which I will tell you are general only. They are not always true in every cases. So the gender chapter is how, as much as you will learn the vocabulary, the thing will be strong. The gender chapter will be strong. ठीक है. So the thing is here, few rules are here, some exceptions are here, so it will make it easy for you to identify the gender, which is masculine and feminine. So let's start with masculine. So the general rule first says masculine nouns end with the vowel a in the singular. So when any noun ending with a vowel or a sound, so you can identify that the gender is masculine. When the noun is ending with a sound in Hindi, you can identify the gender is masculine. So what we will do to make it plural? To make it plural, a sound will become a in plural. A sound will become a in plural. So let's see few examples so that you can understand it easily. Boy, ladka, ladka ending with a, so this is masculine. Boys, ladke, I told you we will end it with a sound in plural. So ladka will become ladke in plural. Room, kamra, kamra will become kamre in plural. Son, beta, sons, bete, beta, bete. Promise, vada, vade, vada will become vade. Promise, promises. Fan is pankha. In English this is neuter, but in Hindi this comes in masculine gender because it is ending with a sound, pankha, and in plural it will become pankhe. So here we saw the noun that is ending with a mostly or generally that will be a masculine gender. To make it plural, we will end that with a sound. Okay, ठीक है. So let's move to the second rule. What the second rule says: some masculine noun which do not end with a are also there. So earlier we learned ending with a is masculine. Now noun are there that do not end with a, still they are masculine. Okay, so like examples, or these will be same in both cases. Singular or plural will be same. Singular, plural will be same, and these are not ending with a. Okay, so which kind of noun are these? House is makan, not ending with a, makan, ending with any vyanjan or consonant, makan, and plural will also be makan. City is shahar, and plural is also shahar. Man, admi, not ending with a, admi. Men, plural is also admi. Home, ghar, homes, ghar. Temple, mandir, and temples also mandir. So second general rule second says that the noun, some noun are also there that do not end with a, but still they are masculine. So these are not ending with a, and these will be same in both cases, either singular or plural. Only the number will determine their singularity or plurality. You can say one house, two houses, एक मकान, दो मकान, like that. ठीक है. So one rule ending with a, and second rule not ending with a. Now we will see the exceptions related to masculine noun. So the exception first is that relationship related or power related masculine nouns ending with a sound will be same either singular or plural. Okay, earlier we saw that if the noun is ending with a masculine noun, to make that plural we will end them with a sound, ladka, ladke, kamra, kamre. But here we are going to see that these are ending with a and masculine noun. This is exception actually. So relationship related nouns or power related nouns, so these will be same in singular or plural. We will not end them with a. Okay, like king is a powerful man, raja is a powerful man. Raja will become raja in singular or plural. Grandfather, dada, grandfather, dada, it's a relationship. So dada will be dada either singular or plural. Usually we say dadaji in India to show respect. So with every relationship we usually say ji, like dadaji, mataji, chachaji, like that. Uncle is chacha, again a relationship noun. So chacha will also be chacha either singular or plural. These are ending with a, chacha, but we are not changing them in plural. Father, pita, pitaji, pitaji. Maternal uncle is mama, mama, either singular or plural. So we can say mama ji, either singular or plural. Deity is devta, again a powerful or power related masculine noun. Deity is also devta. So we saw rule first, rule second, and exception first. Now exception second. Some Sanskrit loan words end with a sound, but they are feminine. So earlier we saw if the noun ending with a, it will be masculine noun. But here this is exception. Few nouns are there. These words are actually not from Hindi, but these are loan words, Sanskrit loan words. We took them from Sanskrit. So these will look like they are masculine, but they are not masculine, they are feminine. Okay, so these are language, bhasha ending with a but not masculine. Hope is asha ending with a but not masculine, it's feminine. Kamla is a name of a lady. Vimla is a name of a lady. So these are exceptions. Some more are there. I tried to put many as I found. So these are exceptions. Again I just want a quick look or quick revision. So genders in Hindi only two, masculine or feminine. ठीक है, no neuter gender. Now masculine genders we discussed today. There are two rules actually, general rules. Why general? Because these are not absolutely true. There are some exceptions too. So first rule says noun ending with a, generally masculine. To make them plural we will end them with a. Second rule says some masculine noun are there that do not end with a but still they are masculine, like ghar, makan, शहर, आदमी. They are not ending with a, and these will be same in both cases, either singular or plural. Now exceptions are there. Relationship related or power related noun, masculine noun will be same in both the cases. Ending with a will be same in both the cases. Raja, not Raje. Raja will be Raja, Dadaji, Dadaji, Chachaji, like that. And exceptions to says Sanskrit loan words ending with a, they looks like masculine but they are not masculine, they are feminine. So this is how we finished masculine noun. In the next video, in the coming video, we will learn how to identify feminine noun and the exceptions related to that. Till then, just try to practice this. Just try to find some words and recognize the pattern. If you want PPT or you want one-on-one lesson, you can find me on Skype, or you can follow me on Instagram and Facebook also. You can mail me on this mail ID. बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. फिर मिलेंगे नई वीडियो के साथ with a new video. Thank you very much.